4 mistakes that tattoo clients make. Hey guys, I hope you're having an awesome day. For those of you that don't know me, my name's Liam. I'm a tattoo artist based out of Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and I specialize mainly in large-scale black and gray realism tattoos. By watching this video, you've already got a step up, and you're gonna make your life and your tattoo artist's life a whole lot easier. Mistake number 1, not being clear on what you want. So there's 2 sides to this conversation. The first one is maybe you have an artist that you want to get tattooed by, and you just don't know what you want to get done. In this case, you would maybe just talk to the tattoo artist and just figure out maybe what they want to tattoo and then see if that's something that you're into as well. This isn't the mistake that I see clients make. So the mistakes I see clients make more often is either they just don't know what they want to get done, or they're just too shy and scared to elaborate on maybe like the important parts that they're trying to get in the tattoo. This is going to lead to some awkward conversations down the road, or just an overall disappointment in the tattoo that you might end up getting. Remember that planning on the front end is going to be a lot easier than changing a permanent tattoo that you end up getting. So either know what you want to get done and be able to communicate that really well, or be willing and ready to trust your artist in letting them take over with your idea and design. Since they design and live and breathe tattooing, they're going to have a powerful insight onto what you should actually do with your design when it comes to placement or just the design in general. This actually leads me into the second mistake that I see clients make. Mistake number 2, micromanaging. So these 2 mistakes kind of go together. On one hand, you want to get a tattoo that you really like, and then on the other hand, there's a tattoo artist that's trying to make a cool tattoo for their portfolio. Depending on the artist, there's a certain level of freedom that they actually like to have during the tattoo design process. For me personally, I just like when someone gives me a broad idea, maybe a couple reference pictures, and then the more important specifics that they need of the tattoo. This gives me a good pathway to make both groups happy. I have the design ready the day of the appointment, and 90% of the time, I don't run into any issues with my clients. Usually they trust me, they've seen the large scale work that I do, and they like what they see, so they're in there willing to take my word for what I think is going to be best for their tattoos. It makes for a smooth and worry-free tattoo session when everyone trusts each other and they're on the same page. As the client, a lot of these issues can be resolved simply by doing your research on the artist that you want to get tattooed by. A simple rule of thumb is to find the artist you like and pitch them your ideas without leaving any of the important details out. And then you just have to trust the process. But always speak up if there's anything that you're just not into or you feel really uncomfortable about. The last thing a tattoo artist wants is to give their client a tattoo that they don't even like. Speaking up about things like this isn't usually the issue. The main thing is usually when a client is really nitpicking and trying to find little things here and there that they want to change. This leads me into mistake number 3. Mistake number 3, not doing enough research. If you don't do enough research on an artist and you follow the advice that I've been giving you throughout this video, you still might end up with a tattoo that you regret. This is why it's important to look at portfolios on Instagram or in person or on a website and look at a bunch of tattoos that this artist has done. If you like the general theme of the pictures that you're looking at, if you can kind of get the style that they're going for and you like them, then you're on the right track. Knowing other people that have been tattooed by this artist can also be really helpful because you get to see their work healed and in person. This seems like an obvious one, but a lot of people don't do their research and then they're surprised by the tattoo that they end up with. This is just to help you avoid that and get a tattoo that you're really proud to show off. Mistake number 4, before and after care. This topic is pretty complex, so I'm gonna make another video going in depth on all of this. But for now, I'll keep it nice and simple just so you guys can understand what I'm trying to go for. To put it simple, there are things you can do before and after your tattoo sessions to improve the overall quality of life for you, your artist, and your eventual tattoo that you're gonna get. A lot of people show up and just don't eat a full breakfast, or maybe they don't get a lot of sleep the night before, and this is gonna really affect your tattoo session. The other thing you see is a lot of artists don't take care of their tattoos after the tattoo session, and this will just lead to more pain and touch-ups in the future, and obviously we don't want that. Like I said, I'm gonna make a video going more in depth on both of these subjects, so once those videos are out, I'm gonna link them down in the description for you, so make sure to check that out. So there's the 4 mistakes that I usually see clients make. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like this video for more videos like this. If you're a tattoo artist and you disagree with what I've been saying this whole time, or even if you agree with it, leave me a comment. I don't claim to know everything. This is just from my personal experiences. But like I said, guys, that wraps up this video. So until next time, peace.